Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily share files between iPhones using AirDrop. Whether it's photos, videos, contacts or documents, AirDrop makes transferring files seamless. So let's get started. Swipe down from top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Press and hold the network settings box where Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and airplane mode are. Tap AirDrop and select everyone for 10 minutes or contacts only. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Now open the app containing the file you want to share. For example, you can open photos, files or notes. Select the file and tap on the share button. Tap AirDrop and choose the recipient's iPhone from the list. The recipient will get a pop-up asking to accept or decline the file. Once accepted, the file will instantly get transferred. When you receive an AirDrop file, tap accept to download it. Photos and videos will go directly to the Photos app. Other files like PDFs will open in the appropriate app. If you're facing problems with AirDrop, here's how you can solve them. If you don't see the recipient's iPhone, ensure both devices have AirDrop enabled. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on both devices. Check that both devices are within the 30 feet distance of each other. Restart both iPhones if AirDrop still is not working. And that's it. Now you know how to use AirDrop to quickly share files between iPhones. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in our next video.